Valerie, we are making cupcakes in ice cream cones. Let me show you the materials. First, you're going to need a mixing bowl. I prefer using this Pyrex so in case I see, oh, there's a dry spot I need to get. 3 eggs, oil, well, of course you gotta have your cake mix, and 2 of these 12-count ice cream cones. Oh, don't forget the icing. Now let's adjust those oven racks. Okay, as you can see, it's at a decent level, but I want to make sure that the cupcakes in the ice cream cones don't run into the top there. There we go. Perfect. Now, let's get all the ingredients mixed up. You are going to put 12 cupcakes into said muffin pan. This is mostly for transport. And to be quite honest, I am afraid for them because as you can see, there is no gap. But perhaps the weight of the mix will keep them stable. Now, you're going to fill the the ice cream cones to half to 2/3 full. So, let me fill one up. It's very messy. So, that's about half to 2/3. So, jump cut. Boom. They're all filled. All 24 of them. Yes, as you can see, some of the tops are slightly chipped. But who cares? I'm sure they're going to be delicious. I mean, even the cupcake itself is going to be edible. Yay! No mess. Okay, let's put these into the oven for 19 to 23 minutes. Here at the 15-minute mark. Let's take a look. Oh, don't they look yummy? This comes in handy. Okay, I gotta be gentle. Oh, I can tell they're not done. I don't even have to poke them. Easy does it. Alright. Back in 15 minutes. Let's see if they're done. I don't know. They do look much better though. Let's see here. Gently. Okay. As you can see, they look so yummy and they smell even better than they look. So, I don't have any toothpicks, remember? There we go. What do you think? I think they're done. So out they go. See, they are all laid out perfectly. It took some time getting them to stand up on these things. So, it'll be about an hour before I can decorate them. As you can see, they're so thick, that's why. See you in an hour. It's time to decorate these things. So, first we are going to use this glass and this. Be back in a jiff. Okay, see, you get your tall glass that's yay big, or in my case, if only I had a glass yay taller, and put the rubber band around it so you don't have to hold on to it all the time. Okay, now let's get this icing bag ready. When you're icing your cupcakes, take them off the cooling rack and put them on something flat like a baker cookie sheet like I have here. See? Learn that the hard way. Be right back. And now, since it won't fit in my cupcake container, if anyone has seen the video, get a container, turn it upside down. Bye.